Okay, let's go. Talk to him. Holla. Don't you get tired of hearing niggas say that shit all the time? Why don't you just shut the fuck up and rhyme?
Yeah. Used to run around getting my fight in the streets on. Back in the day, before Harlem had a green zone. What good is a good education with no direction? Like the right to vote with no one to vote for.
I'm Jose De Jesus Martinez. I play the role of Fernando in the movie 400 Will Kill You. Fernando is somewhat of a troubled person right now, having a lot of problems with his employer, trying to support his family, wife and children. They have this somewhat of a business together, trying to clean houses, doing landscaping around other people's homes. But this one employer he's working with, is really giving him a hard time and trying to be able to get as much as he's worth to be able to support his family the way he would like to. It was a very interesting production, trying to get set for this movie. It was filmed in about 2 days. It was a very interesting shoot. I had played a supporting role in the movie. The actors had to be actually on their game. They needed to be on time with their cues, their deliveries, and it was something different from what you're actually able to see on any other normal film. For being a supporting actor in the film, it meant having to wait a while before you're able to go up and actually perform your scene. But it was very different because there was the entire crew was actually very friendly, had a great time. Plus we had the comedy performances of Aurelia Araniva, who really made everybody laugh throughout the entire scene. But it was a very good experience to come out and be able to be part of this film. Being shot in 48 hours, something different that's not seen, hasn't been done in a very long time. One of the funniest things that happened on set wasn't really during the filming, was behind the scenes, and actually back with the comedy styles of Aurelia, talking about one of her aunts or a certain friend that they have with another commonly known friend that they have with actually at the with the people working on the set. And you talk about 6 degrees of knowing somebody, and they finally they were talking about how she is in her mannerisms and stuff. It was very funny watching that, having Aurelia try to perform or showing exactly what they were trying to get across. Yeah, it's one of the things that you had to be there to be able to understand it, to get how funny it was, but it was actually very hilarious when you were there. Thank you. Any other questions that we need to answer?
That's good.
Okay.
Or in an election, like a gun with no bullets in the clip for protection, like a crowd packed in the front without the midsection. Used to live robbing and stealing and being reckless. It took time for my mind to put the ghetto in perspective. I used to live in the back of a holding van. Used to be offbeat like the white girl shoulder dance. I wrote rhymes, acapella, no beat behind bars.